Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's one of those typical English days where it's just going to rain off and on, just kind of be lousy for doing a whole lot outside.
Now there will be some rain around at times today, but also some drier spells. But we've got some outbreaks of rain around this morning. That light patchy rain, most of it is pushing its way northeastwards.
So even though you want to stay inside and just cuddle up with the dogs, you got to stay active. You got to get out there and find some breaks in the weather. Go do something fun. So today I got the bike out again and just looking to do some of the trails that are back behind the house here. Taking you guys on some of them before when I was working on my hike, but just want to get out and see if we can get some miles in today. I love this old church that we live by. So this is our road going up to our house there. So I just like to walk the bike down real close to traffic there, but we're gonna head back and start the ride. This part here is my favorite part. The weather's holding up. It's like that misty, like kind of foggy weather. It's not pouring rain, so I'm happy about that, but it's a really cool spot. I just love this area. Got some sheep up there. I don't know if you can see them really well, but we'll ride through them. I just can't get over the fact that this is our backyard. So I've never really lived in an area where I've had this much space right behind my house. So it's always been like communities or you know, near cities, that kind of stuff. So this is really cool. This is nice. Feels good to get out and get some exercise. Whew, I'm out of breath. That hill, that kicked my butt. So what's going on is the tires I got aren't the best, and they're just getting caked in this mud here, and then real slick, and this whole trail is just pretty much sand. So it's like a sand mud mix where you just feel like, oh my gosh, quite the grind getting up. I know what you're thinking, like just go on the grass, you'll be fine, but it's kind of curved on both sides. So some areas are flat, but as you get going, your tire just kind of slides down into the groove there, and almost ate it a couple times. So hoping not to have a blooper reel on this video for you guys. But yeah, this trail is definitely meant for some trucks, off-roading stuff, or possibly like dirt bikes. I've seen a couple on this road before here going up. All right, but enough talking, back to the ride. gosh, they're so pretty. Where did they go? Man, where's the shotgun when you need one? All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. This is going to be my turnaround point. So just kind of at a crossroads here, you can go a couple different ways. I usually go back down behind me and then head up, but I got the highway on this side. You can also go down that trail. But yeah, so I think this is good for today. I'm just going to go ahead and head back. The bike got absolutely covered in mud. I wasn't expecting that much mud. It hasn't rained too heavily in the last couple days, but it was a lot of fun. It was neat just going through it. Definitely need to get some better tires on this thing. Hi, cows. Hey. How's it going? What are you guys up to? Huh? Just chilling. You guys look like the cows we saw in Wales. All right. Have a good day. So just trying to show you guys on this video today that even with nasty weather, you can still get out, you can still be active, do something. So don't get me wrong, I'm one of those that definitely loves to sit on the couch, watch a couple movies, hang out, relax on the weekend. But it's just good to get some fresh air. This is the kind of random stuff that we're about on this channel. Thank you. You guys have the right idea today. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and stick with us for future adventures. Also give us a thumbs up and we'll catch you on the next episode.